I've got another FabFitFun box. I have no clue what's in here. So if you want to find out with me, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. Dexter made a little guest appearance in my last video, so who knows, he could be back. And Chloe is not feeling well. Her sinuses have been draining, and she did have an appointment with an allergist, so we are on track. Had all the allergy testing done, so pretty soon we should be on top of that. But that's why you're not seeing her in a lot of videos these days. Once winter hits, it's like that's when her sinuses get the worst. All right, so this is a oh, if you're new, welcome, by the way. I totally forgot. I was so busy talking about Chloe. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, makeup, beauty, clothing, home items, all kinds of stuff like that, Dollar Tree hauls. If you are into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I place an order and it takes forever to come in with FabFitFun these days, except for like the seasonal box that comes in with the expedited shipping. So this could be, because I thought I ordered an uncustomized box. In other words, they choose the 6 items and maybe a couple of add-ons. Seems kind of heavy, so I don't really know because it was so long ago. I placed another order since then for just a couple of small things. I don't know. I have no idea. This might be an uncustomized box, or maybe I didn't order it and thought I did. I have no idea. It is super heavy, which makes me think it is an uncustomized box because I can't think of what else I would have ordered that was heavy. All right, here's your sneak peek. Definitely, I see at least one item in here that I know was from the customization. So this was one of the add-ons. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Bright Besties, and it has a toner and eye cream and a sleep mask. And I really like this line. Well, actually, I like all the Saturday Skin lines. So I wanted to just like have these for when we do like weekend getaways, to have like a little bit of a sample set for that. And then I added this on as a subscribe and save. This is the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub, or Clarifying Cleansing. And I love it. Chloe loves it. We go through this. We just emptied one out, so I was glad to get this for the deal that we got it for. I like this one because it actually like suds up. So I don't know. For me, there's just like, if it suds, I feel like it's cleaning. I don't know. But I do like this better than some of the others that I've tried. So I would highly recommend this, particularly if you can get it at a good price. And I got this as a subscribe and save. So this is the smaller size of the number 3 Olaplex because I'm out. And that would be the pre-wash. From Skylar, I got the Grapefruit Grove perfume. So y'all know I love scent. And I love smelling different every day. This has notes of citrus apple, grapefruit, and some sort of green, meadow greens. This brand is cruelty-free, so we like that. And I love the smell of grapefruits. And it's a roller ball. Yeah, it smells really nice. Let's see when it dries down. Oh, that grapefruit comes out even more. So you don't get as much of the grapefruit when you first put it on because it's probably one of the mid notes, but yeah, as it starts to dry down, you're definitely going to get that. Okay, I think everything else in here might be. There's one thing I'm a little sketchy about. I'll go over that first because this was not like in the curation. This is by Summer and Rose, and it looks to be leg warmers. Now, I'm not mad about that because I actually wear this kind of stuff underneath my pants all the time to keep my legs warm. And the reason I do this over long johns most days is because if I'm in my office and the sun is out and it gets hot in there, I can easily take these off just sitting at my desk versus having long johns or thermals or whatever it is on underneath. So knee socks, this kind of stuff. These are not as soft as I thought they were looking at them. But they will get worn. Okay, this I know was part of the curation. This is the favorite daughter hat in white. I do have this, so I'm going to pass that along. It's super soft. I really like it. Like at first, it was not something I chose. I actually got it in one of those boxes where there was enough things that I wanted. Instead of adding it on, I just got the extra box, and I'm so glad I did because I really like the hat. It's super soft, super cozy, fits perfectly. So sometimes they're just a little snug. I don't like that. This one I really like, so I would highly recommend it if you see it on a sale. Next, by Etika, we have the necklace that was in the curation in a gold tone. I don't know if I got it in the gold or the silver. I did get this, but I don't recall which tone I chose. Okay, here's something I didn't have. These are the Just Glass Pour Flavor, Pure Flavor. Pour over mugs. Oh, these are adorable. They're like little espresso mugs. Super cute. As I'm going through this, I don't even know what's a part of this, what I purchased. I'll have to look back at my receipts, my site. But by Tula, we have the 24/7 Ultra Hydration Serum. This might have been part of the curation because I have so much Tula. And I like Tula. It's a cruelty-free brand. I really like them. I just don't know that I necessarily would have chosen another serum, but look at that. I don't know if you can see the bubbles in there. It's really cool looking. So definitely we'll get use out of that. Then by Rosie Jane, I have the Wake Body and Bath Oil. And it has scents of eucalyptus, grapefruit, and lemon. I don't recall this being part of the curation. It smells nice, but it does have a strong eucalyptus scent. I don't mind that, but if you don't enjoy eucalyptus, you probably won't enjoy this. I like to use shower oils because I feel like it really keeps the moisture in your skin. And I follow it up with a body serum. I take forever. It's not even me in the shower. It's like me putting on my body serum, my body lotion, all my facial stuff. Like, I'm in and out of the shower quick, but it's the after stuff. But I do like using that because I feel like it's just one extra step to keep that moisture in. This I think I might have added on. And this is the Bobbi Brown Extra Lip Tint. And this is in Bare Necessity. And I feel like it reminded me of the Black Honey from Clinique. Or at least in the color. Very light on, almost like a pinkish, like a pinky nude, which is one of the shades, but I thought it was a little bit darker. I am so eyeing that line. I got the lip oil and I really like it. And then last in here by Riri Q. Riri Q is the set of ceramic bowls, which I did get. These are all sealed up. So I'm going to give you a screenshot of what they look like because I don't want to open these up because I'm probably going to gift these. All right. So I know this was definitely part of the curation. And this, so that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th item was either this or the leg warmers. I don't know. It was so long ago. I don't really remember. I remember some of the things I ordered, like the Lippy and the Yuzu Bright, but I don't remember everything. All right. Well, that's all I have for now. What was your favorite item? As a non-repeat, those espresso cups were pretty cute. I will have to say that. So I'm torn between that and the Tula because both of those were non-repeats. But as the repeats, that hat and the bowl set were 2 of my top favorites from when I opened up mine. And I will have those, a little card wherever it shows up. So if you want to go and watch my FabFitFun unboxings, you can and see some of the other items I got and hear what I thought about them. All right, well, that's all I have for tonight. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.